Welcome to Making a Screen Video course. I'm Matt Pierce, Learning and Video Ambassador for TechSmith. I've been making screencasts for over a decade, and throughout this course, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best practices for making a better and more refined screencast video. If you're brand new to screencasting, you first might want to watch the 9 tips to getting started with screen recording course. Throughout this course, we're going to go through the entire process of creating an edited screencast video. I'll be providing tips and best practices to help you make a more refined and polished video. Even if you're new to making screencasts, this video will help you get started. If you're experienced with screen video, feel free to jump ahead to the lessons you feel will help you the most. Now, before jumping in, there are a lot of reasons you may be considering making a screen video. Whatever your reason, whether you want to train someone, convince them, or just communicate a message, going through this course will help you improve the quality. So, let's get going with making a screen video.